this video, we'll take a look at the order holds process. One of the first things that you want to have set up is order hold codes. So to do that, you can set this up in the sales and marketing module. So I'll navigate to sales and marketing. I'm going to go ahead and collapse all, make it a little bit easier to see everything. I'll then go under setup. I'll then select sales orders. Under sales orders, we have order hold codes. Here's where we can set up different order hold codes. So here we have a pricing hold. Here we have a sales order that you might need to put on hold for a manager approval. You can see here the role of the person that is required for this order hold. We can set this as the default for sales orders. And then do we want to remove inventory reservations when an order is put on hold for this specific reason? We also have a customer service hold as well. Now let's take a look at placing an order on hold. So I'm going to navigate over to accounts receivable. I'll then go to orders and all sales orders. I'll navigate to my sales order that I confirmed and converted to a sales order earlier. I'll go ahead and select it. Once on the sales order page, I'll click on the sales order tab in the action pane, and under the functions group, we have order holds. Here we can add a new order hold to this specific sales order. So I'll go ahead and click new. And then I'll go ahead and specify the hold code. So maybe we'll go ahead and have this go under a manager review. Maybe they're ordering a certain amount that needs to be reviewed first. Additionally, we can add notes. Please review. This customer is ordering over 500. So we can put something like that. If we have fraud alerts set up, we can see the fraud details in the fraud details fast tab. There are also some hold checkouts. So this is when, for instance, a manager might be reviewing this, they might check this out, and then they can go ahead and remove the hold and the sales order can then be processed. So we have now added the order hold and the code. I'll go ahead and click save. And I'll go ahead and close this form. And you'll now notice here, I can't confirm this sales order. If I go to pick and pack, none of our options are available right now because this sales order is currently on hold. So what I'll do next, I'll go back to the sales order tab and I'll click on order holds. We'll say I'm a manager that's reviewing this and I can go ahead and clear this hold. I could clear and modify and maybe update the sales order if I needed to, but I'll just go ahead and clear hold. And as you can see here, you have to be a manager in order to clear this hold. So you can see here, users not authorized to clear hold code. It's under manager review. If you remember, I'll go ahead and click on our hold code. I have to have the role of a manager in order to clear this hold. So I've now switched over to my user with a manager role, and I'll go ahead and click on clear holds. And as you can see, that hold is now cleared, and I can continue on with processing this sales order as I need to. So if I needed to confirm this, we'll go back to the Cell tab, and you'll see I can now confirm the sales order. If I'm back under Pick and Pack, I'm now able to generate the picking list because this sales order is no longer on hold.